So I remember him going in and out of the hospital and then a hospice and all of those things he went through and how we had to be taught to care for him. This is my third time attending college. And when I moved here, I went into the F&B business, food and beverage, and I did a restaurant here, and it wasn't the same. So my brother, who I was living with at the time, said, go back to school, why not? So he's like, there's a lot of programs, just look at it. So I did, and physical therapist assistant was intriguing to me. And I think the reason was my culture. We're very in tune with our elderly. I'm from Guam, and our elderly is our wisdom. And in our culture, they're praised highly and very respected. And so I think that's already in me. And then my dad passed from cancer. So I remember him going in and out of the hospital and then a hospice and all of those things he went through and how we had to be taught to care for him. And my son has a condition. He might need physical therapy soon after surgery. And I figure, why not? I mean, why not? And it's a service industry, it's health services. So I already did food and beverage. So this would be in tune to what I'm intrigued with and just helping people in general and just being that extra support for somebody. So I just needed 2 classes, so 6 credits to get into the program. And then applied to the program. And here I am. When I finally set up an appointment to meet Dr. McGill, she was so accommodating. And she opened up my student profile and she looked at everything. She's like, no, you're right on track. All you have to do is apply. And I was like, oh, I'm not ready. And then she was like, let's take a tour. So we did the building here. We did the tour and she explained a couple of things and talked me through the program as we were doing the tour. And I felt at home. Like there was nothing inside me that said I'm making the wrong decision. The program is tough, but it's supposed to be. If things were easy in life, everyone would be doing it. If there was no challenges, then what's the point? You need the challenge. You need a fall. You need to know how to get up. You need to rethink, how am I studying? So we take an exam, you don't do so well. Okay, what can I change? How can I grow from that exam? What did I learn? Can I change the way I study? They tell you during your interview that this will be very, very challenging. And it's not about memorizing. You have to apply the knowledge. You have to be able to think outside the box and take that information because every patient's going to be different. It's 18 months and your instructors work with you. There's no reason you couldn't pass it unless you didn't put in the work on your end, but it's 18 months, it's back to back. There's clinicals as early as your second semester. It's laid out really, really well that one shouldn't be nervous or held back from making the decision to try the program.